Reading practice number 6. Mr. Reddington, yesterday, your secretary transmitted to me the plans and specifications for our new facilities on Jacksonville Road in Pittsburgh, and I must say that they have caused me substantial concern, period. Someone made several significant modifications in the last paragraph of the specifications dealing with the electrical system of the building without consulting me, paragraph. As a matter of self-interest, Mr. Reddington, I must insist that all future alterations in any specifications be submitted to me or to my superintendent, Mr. Sweet, paragraph, so that there will be no subsequent misunderstanding, please see that all members of your staff receive a copy of this memorandum, period. James H. Tarkington.